Hi guys, my name's Ebony and today I'm going to show you some ways to keep yourself busy and get through self-isolation. So one of the things I would suggest for keeping yourself busy during self-isolation is trying to learn a new skill. I already know the basics of British Sign Language, so I took being stuck at home during isolation as an opportunity to learn more. Learning a language is a good skill to choose as well because there's so many resources online, most of which are free, so it's super easy and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Self-isolation is also a great opportunity to work on your baking and cooking skills. My favourite recipe is a 3-ingredient flapjack. All you need is oats, golden syrup and butter, and it is so easy to make. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make my flapjack. The only ingredients you'll need is butter, golden syrup and oats. You want to start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees, then adding 200 grams of butter to a bowl. Then add this butter to a saucepan for later. Next, measure out 300 grams of oats. Then measure 6 tablespoons of golden syrup. You should then add this to the saucepan which already has the butter. Heat and stir the mixture until the ingredients have melted together. Then add this mixture to your oats. Mix until the oats are completely covered. Then add the mixture to a greased baking tray and ensure it's evenly spread out. You can then add your flapjack to the oven and leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes. When you come to take it out, you should cut the flapjack before allowing it to cool. This should be your end result. I've also been trying to cook more during self-isolation, using ingredients which you can keep in the freezer and the cupboard so that they can last a bit longer. My favourite thing that I've made recently is Tikka Massala. All you need is chicken. I just use frozen peppers and frozen onions in mine because they do last a little bit longer in the freezer. I just buy a jar of Tikka Masala sauce. I don't make it or anything, I'm not that good at cooking. You can just keep that in the cupboard as well, it lasts for months. And then Uncle Ben's 2-minute packet rice, super quick, super easy, again it lasts for months in the cupboard. You want to start by adding some oil to your pan and then begin to fry your chicken. Once your chicken starts to brown, you can add your peppers and your onions into a pan. Then you want to continue to cook until your chicken is fully cooked. You can then go ahead and add your rice into the microwave for 2 minutes. Then you want to add your sauce into your chicken and your veg and stir until it's all completely mixed. And then it's time to dish, so I'm just adding my chicken onto my rice. And then I chose to have mine with some poppadoms and mango chutney. Also at the minute you are still allowed out once a day for some exercise, so I do recommend using this if you can. I'm actually really lucky that I live in the middle of nowhere, so I could walk anywhere and not bump into anyone any time of day. But I do like to make sure that once a day I do go out either on a walk with my dog or for a run and just get some fresh air because it can make such a difference and it helps to break up your day as well. It doesn't feel like you spent the whole day inside, you have gone out and you have done something. Another thing which I've just got back into during self-isolation is colouring in. It's not just for kids. You can get adult colouring in books, which I do have one of, or you can actually go online, and at the minute there's so many colouring sheets to print off for the NHS and key workers. So for example, I done one for the postman which was laminated and put on the front door, one for the bin men that was laminated and put on my bin, and then we done some NHS ones and we done some rainbows and we decorated the house and the windows with them. And it's a way of keeping yourself busy but also saying thanks to the people that are keeping us safe right now. I hope this has given you guys some ideas to help you get through the rest of this self-isolation period. Thanks for watching, bye!